My dear future of country, in this video there will be some questions of science subject and there will be 4 options and we will also see the correct answer in that option. So let's get started. It is my 6th lecture of science for CTET exam, multiple choice question with answer. So first question on your screen, you can see diabetes is established by 1. Occurrence of sugar in urine, 2. Blood sugar level, 3. Insulin level in blood, and 4. Blood protein level. So we have option. Which of the above statements is or correct? 1, 1, 2 and 3, 2, 1 and 2, 3, 3 and 1, 4, 4 and 2. What would be the answer? Let's see. 1 is the appropriate answer of this question. Occurrence of sugar in urine, and second, blood sugar level, and third, insulin level in blood. So next question on your screen, you can see which of the following is the characteristics of science. Option we have: it is objective, it is subjective, it is objective, logical, systematic method of analysis of phenomena, and fourth option, it is objective, logical, systematic method of analysis of phenomena which leads to accumulation of reliable knowledge. So what would be the answer? Let's see. 4 is the appropriate answer of this question. This objective or logical systematic method of analysis of phenomena which leads to the accumulation of reliable knowledge is the characteristics of science in the given option. So next question on your screen, you can see above the Curie temperature or Curie temperature, the susceptibility of ferromagnetic substance varies. First, directly as the absolute temperature, 2, inversely as the absolute temperature, 3, inversely as the square of absolute temperature, 4th, directly as the square of absolute temperature. What we will be choose this from the given options? Above the Curie temperature, the susceptibility of ferromagnetic substance varies directly as the absolute temperature. So what would be the answer? 1 is the answer of this question, directly as the absolute temperature, right? So next question on your screen, you can see which of the following ways you as a science teacher adapt to analyze the achievement test data of your students. First option, subject and topic wise. Third, learning outcome wise. Fourth, response in MCQ and third, response in MCQ, and fourth, all of these. So I think that 1, 2, 3, all of these are correct answer. Yes, it is a correct answer of this question. The next question on your screen. Image is formed for the short-sighted person at first retina, second before retina, third behind the retina, fourth image is not formed at all. So I think that 2 is the correct option of this question. Let's see. Yes, before retina. For the short-sighted person, dear future of country, image will form before retina, so they are not able to see the distance objects, right? Next question on your screen, you can see inverted comma, there should be continuous and periodic assessment with much less weightage to the annual examination is the strong recommendation of 1. NCERT 2005, 2. State Curriculum Framework 2000, 3. National Curriculum Framework 1998, and 4th, none of the above. Dear, NCF 2005 is strongly resonate with this question. So we go through the NCF 2005. It is a strong recommendation. Next question on your screen, you can see when you are finished using a Bunsen burner, you should first leave it for the next person to use. It's only the considerate choice. Second, pull off the house connecting the burner to the gas. The burner will not be the burner will not have gas, so it won't be on fire. The third, cover the burner with an inverted wicker to suffocate the flame. And fourth, turn off the gas. Very simple answer of this one. Turn off the gas is the appropriate answer. The above are not useful and not properly resonate with the question number 7. Next question on your screen. First of all, you see the answer. Yes, fourth, turn off the gas. The 8th question, carbohydrates are stored in plants and animals in the form of first cellulose and glucose respectively, 2 starch and glycogen respectively, third starch and glucose respectively, 4th cellulose and glycogen respectively, I think that 2 is the appropriate answer. Starch and glycogen respectively is the appropriate answer of this question. Next question on your screen you can see. Ninth question. How do marine animals survive in water without air contact? First, they do not require any oxygen. Second, they take oxygen from water. Third, they only produce oxygen in their body. And fourth, they get oxygen from water plants. Marine animals survive in water without air contact by taking dissolved oxygen from water. So I think that the second option is the correct answer. They take oxygen from water, right? The next question on your screen you can see. Which of the following is or are objectives of organizing a science fair for the student? A. To develop awareness about science. B. To identify talented students in science. C. To understand scientific concepts and process by working model. Now we have option 1 only A, option 2 A and B, 3 B and C, all of these. Option number 4. I think that 3 is the appropriate answer of this question. Let's see. No. 4 is the correct answer. To develop awareness about science, to identify talented students in science, to understand scientific concept and process by working model. So that's why these are the objectives which should keep in mind of the teacher, and then they organize science fair for the students. Now next question on your screen you can see. Wells suggested some properties of acid. Choose the correct set of the first sour taste, corrosive, change of litmus from red to blue. Second, sour taste, corrosive, change of litmus from blue to red. Third, sour taste, slippery, change of litmus from blue to red. And fourth, sweet taste, slippery, change of litmus from blue to red. I think that second is the appropriate answer of this question. Let's see. Yes, second is the correct answer of this question. Now the next question on your screen you can see, my dear future of country. I think that this session is very useful to you, and all questions will ask in CTET Science Paper 2024. Next question, question number 12. Ozone layer in the upper parts of the atmosphere serves as a protective shield against harmful what? First, CO2 in the air. Second, SO2 in the air. Third, solar ultraviolet radiation. And fourth, solar infrared radiation. I think that solar ultraviolet radiation would be the correct option of this question. Yes, 3 is the correct option, right? Next question on your screen you can see. The orbital speed of Jupiter is greater than the orbital speed of the Earth. Second, lesser than the orbital speed of the Earth. Third, equal to the orbital speed of the Earth. And fourth, 0. I think that the orbital speed of Jupiter is lesser than the orbital speed of the Earth. Second option is the correct answer of this question. So it is very important, I think that. 14 questions on your screen. The appropriate tools and techniques for assessing scholastic aspects of learners include: first, multiple choice questions. Second, paper pencil test. Fourth, checklist, observation, scheduled and anecdotal records with portfolios. And fourth, project. I think that 3 is the correct answer, right? Yes. The appropriate tools and techniques for assessing scholastic aspects of learning include checklist, observation, scheduled and anecdotal records with portfolios. Whatever you pronounce, right? This is the, I think that it is also important for you. The next question on your screen. Here, question number 15. Now we are discussing about 15 question at least. Consider the information given below regarding atomic radius. First, it is a half of the distance between the centers of two atoms of an element that are just touching each other. Second, it decreases across a period and increases down the groove. We have option 1, 1 and 2, 2, only 2, 3, only 1, 4, neither 1 nor 2. What would be the answer of this question? Let's see. Only 2. Information. The atomic radius decreases across a period and increases down the groove. So, it is the appropriate answer of this question. Next question. The chemical name of CdMnO42 and Fe3PO42 are: first, cadmium magnet and iron 2 phosphate. Second, cadmium permanganate and iron 2 phosphate. Sorry, in the first option, cadmium permanganate and iron 2 phosphate. Second, cadmium permanganate and iron 2 phosphate. Third, cadmium permanganate and iron 3 phosphide. And fourth, cadmium magnet and iron 3 phosphate. right? So what would be the answer of this question? Let's see. Second is the correct answer of this question. The cadmium permanganate and iron 2 phosphate. This is the correct answer of this question, right? And learn this type of the formulas of our chemical name in the symbolic form. It also help in your examination. 2 or 3 questions can ask by them. So now let's see that. Thanks for watching, my dear future of country. I hope this session is very useful to you, and this video also help you to make more question correct in your CTET exam or anywhere TET exam also, right? This is the science chapter, science subjects question, so there is no problem. And in the last, I best of luck to all of you. I wish you will do best in your CTET exam. Thank you for watching, and thank you. Have a nice day to all of you.